Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the super cute Y2K hairstyle and dress to impress. So yes, you will need custom adjustments for this. I'm just going to scroll down and I'm going to find this hair. You can color it whatever you want. I think I'm just going to do like a brown and I don't know, like some highlights. They usually run pretty like yellowish and orange, maybe like goldish like this. I don't know. Um, don't really know if I like this hair color combo. I'm just gonna color it black for now and no bangs. Sorry, in brown. And then for the position, Z at 0.57. And then rotate the X to 0.48, Y to 0.54, whoops, Z to 0.45. And we're going to scale it all the way down to 0.32. Looking weird right now. Then you're going to grab this hair in the same color. I'm just going to color it the same for everything, and then I'll just change it later. X 0.49. And then the Y at 0.54. Z at 0.58. And then we're going to rotate the X to 0.48. And the Y to 0.4. And we're going to scale it all the way down to 0.25. Should have probably did it with no bangs. Let me redo that one. Hold on. Oh, actually, no, we can't do no bangs. Okay. Next, we are going to grab this hair. This one. And you can color it to whatever color you want. I'm just going to do like blonde here. And then we also need to go to bangs, and we're going to use this one. And I'm just going to color it the same kind of blonde color. And that's it. Super cute, super, I wouldn't say it's the easiest, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.